Think about your heart for a moment. Right now, it's working tirelessly for you. It beats around 100,000 times a day, every single day, without you ever having to ask. It's honestly the most reliable engine you'll ever own. But what happens when that engine starts to sputter? What if it's sending quiet signals that are easy to miss? Heart disease isn't just something that happens to other people, it touches millions. Today we're going to face it together, with knowledge, not fear. Let's start with a simple question. When was the last time you truly thought about your heart, not just in passing, as a crucial part of your well-being? So, what are we actually talking about when we say heart disease? It sounds like one issue, but it's a catch-all term. It covers many conditions that affect the structure and function of your heart. Imagine your heart as the central pump of a complex plumbing system, your circulatory system. Heart disease happens when something goes wrong with the pump or the pipes. The most common type is coronary artery disease, a plumbing problem. Your heart needs oxygen-rich blood through coronary arteries. Plaque can build up over time, fat, cholesterol, and other cellular debris, a process called atherosclerosis. As plaque builds, arteries narrow and blood flow is restricted. But heart disease isn't just blockages. There are other forms. Heart failure means the heart is too weak to pump efficiently. Not that it stopped working. It can be a dilated weak heart, or a stiff heart that can't fill properly. There are arrhythmias, problems with the heart's electrical system. Too fast, too slow, or irregular. And valve problems. Valves can narrow or leak, forcing the heart to work harder. Many faces, one reason to understand them. Now that we know what heart disease is, let's talk about what causes it. It's rarely one thing, usually a mix of factors, some controllable, some not. First, the things you can't change: genetics, age, and sex. If a close relative had early heart disease, your risk rises. Risk also increases with age. Men and postmenopausal women face higher risk. Now, the big three risk factors: high blood pressure, the silent killer, forces your heart to work overtime. High LDL cholesterol contributes directly to plaque buildup, and smoking. It damages your blood cells and vessel structure, increasing blockage risk. Beyond the big three, diet matters. Saturated fats, trans fats, excess sodium and sugar lead to high BP, cholesterol, and obesity. A sedentary lifestyle weakens your heart muscle. Your heart needs exercise to stay strong. Other health conditions like diabetes and obesity dramatically raise risk by damaging vessels or adding strain. Chronic stress raises blood pressure and often leads to unhealthy coping, overeating, or smoking. Think about your life. Which of these factors might be at play for you? Focus on what you can control. That's where your power lies. The journey starts with understanding, step by step. We'll dive into the warning signs next, so you can recognize them early. One danger is that heart disease can develop silently for years. You might not notice until a major event, like a heart attack, but your body often sends warning signs, red flags we can learn to spot. Classic symptom: chest pain or discomfort, pressure, squeezing, or fullness in the center of the chest. Often it happens during activity and eases with rest. That's angina. Shortness of breath with exertion, or even lying down, can signal heart trouble. Unusual fatigue, profound exhaustion that rest doesn't fix, is another red flag. Pain or discomfort can appear in one or both arms, the back, neck, jaw, or stomach. Notice swelling in your legs, ankles, or feet. Edema may mean your heart isn't pumping effectively. Dizziness, lightheadedness, or fainting can be caused by arrhythmias or low blood pressure. A rapid or irregular pulse or fluttering sensations are signs to take seriously. Listen to your body. If something new or unusual appears, call your doctor. It's better to check than to ignore it. We've covered what heart disease is, what causes it, and the warning signs. Now, how to protect your heart. A huge percentage of heart disease is preventable with lifestyle changes and, when needed, medical treatment. Treatments include medications to lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol, prevent clots, and regulate rhythm. In advanced cases, procedures like angioplasty with stents or coronary bypass restore blood flow. Routine, life-saving interventions. Millions recover and return to active lives. Treatments work. Prevention: move your body. Aim for 30 minutes most days. Brisk walk, cycle, swim, or dance. Eat heart-healthy. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins like fish or chicken, healthy fats like avocado and nuts. Cut back on processed foods, sugary drinks, and excess sodium. Know your numbers. Monitor blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar with regular checkups. If you smoke, quit. Manage stress with meditation, yoga, time in nature, and social connection. Start small, take the stairs, add a salad to dinner, set incremental goals. Every step counts. I want to hear from you. Share your thoughts and questions below. Tell me what videos you want next, topics, questions, or personal stories. If this helped you, like, subscribe and share, and leave a comment. Together we'll explore more ways to protect your heart.